following is a continued video from 15 cheapest 2021 luxury cars and SUVs. 10. Cadillac XT4, $36,790. Cadillac's newest entry-level model, the XT4 crossover, is a far cry from the first entry-level Caddy, the sad sack, Chevy Cavalier-based Cimarron from the 1980s. The XT4 ticks all the major boxes for a small SUV with premium intentions, and its mechanical package is par for the class. There is a standard turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 powering the front wheels. All-wheel drive is optional. The base XT4's low price is enticing, but the truth is that it's not so well equipped, and getting nicer luxury features requires spending about $40,000. 9. BMW 2 Series Gran Coupe, $36,695. The BMW 2 Series Gran Coupe is now part of this list thanks to a new front-wheel drive powertrain which comes standard on the sedan. This new option cuts the price of the 2 Series Gran Coupe by $2,000. Nonetheless, both the front and all-wheel drive configurations come with the same turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder with 228 horsepower. Despite sharing a name with the 2 Series Coupe and convertible, this four-door sedan shares a platform with many, a fact which often defines its driving character. 8. BMW X1, $36,395. The BMW faithful cried foul when the second generation X1 arrived for 2016. To them, it was bad enough that the X1 was an SUV, but the crossover's transversely mounted engine and standard front-wheel drive marked an even greater offense. Skip past that noise, though. The X1 is a practical and enjoyable small crossover, with lots of space inside and energetic driving dynamics. We named it as the best subcompact luxury crossover in our 2018 10 Best Trucks and SUVs awards, and the attractive base price is just the cherry on top of an already appealing package. 7. Audi Q3, $35,095. Audi's Q3 enters the 2021 model year with one big change, at least when it comes to this list: it shaved $600 off the starting price. This change comes thanks to a new base engine, a turbo 2.0-liter inline-4 with 184 horsepower. The Q3 is now also only offered with two trim levels, Premium and Premium Plus. The old 228 horsepower turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder is offered on both trims under the 45 moniker. The Q3 also adds more optional tech to make it an even more compelling buy, including a new 12.3-inch instrument cluster screen and a 10.1-inch infotainment screen. 6. Volvo XC40, $34,795. Volvo's smallest SUV has a cute and distinctive personality all its own, with chunky styling and a variety of interesting color and trim choices. Recently, Volvo added a value-oriented T4 trim to the Volvo XC40 lineup, bringing the base price below $35,000. It comes with a less powerful, 187 horsepower version of the same turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that powers the costlier T5 model, and it is only offered with front-wheel drive. If you're willing to spend a little more, the T4 can be had in the better-equipped R design and inscription trims instead of the base Momentum spec. 5. Mercedes-Benz A-Class, $34,700. The A-Class is the smallest Mercedes-Benz you can buy. It also is the cheapest, starting at only $34,700. Unlike Benz's first experiment with a low-cost sedan for the US, the CLA Class, the A-Class truly feels like a Mercedes, only smaller. Whereas the original CLA Class suffered from mediocre interior materials and at times unrefined driving qualities, the A-Class features premium materials inside and sports a slick new infotainment system.